Hi, in this video I will show you how to create a cool health bar in Scratch. So first we need to create a variable. Let's call it health point, and let's set health point to 100. Okay, and then we will need pen extension block. So first let's try to draw a line for health point. So we need set pen size 15, for example, then pen down, change X by, let's say, 30, and then pen up. Okay, you see we have a line somewhere there, somewhere here, like in the middle of the cat. Of course we need to pen it upper than our cat. Let's try to set position before go to, and if our cat somewhere here, we can change Y by, I don't know, let's try 0. And of course before we need erase all. Okay, let's try 30. So we should draw a line here and then put our cat again on the first position. So for example, we have cat somewhere here, and we put them out in these coordinates. Then we go to the same but change Y by, let's here, for example, 0. So draw upper and then go again to here. Yeah, you see it's better. Now we can change Y more. Okay, and X, let's -20. Okay, we can just set values, try to adjust, and it will look better, but when I will try to move with this cat, it won't work. Yes, so for example, we add some control. You see, and when I move, my health bar lives without me. So we need to connect our coordinates of the cat with the pen. So we have blocks X position and Y position. It's position of the cat at the moment, and we will create new variables X and Y. We will set X to X position and set Y to Y position, and then go to X and Y, but we need to change a little bit. Yes, so it won't on the same. We will plus X plus a little bit to the left, maybe -50, let's try, and Y plus, let's also try 40, for example. Then change X and then go to X and Y, our start positions. Let's try, and also we need to do it forever. Here, let's try. Yes, but before we need also erase here. Let's try. Yes, it's okay, but I need to change. Let's here 60 and y minus 40. Great. And so the length of the health bar should connect with the health points. So if we change x by number of health points, yeah, you see, it's something that we need. Okay, great, we have a health bar, but it should change with, so we change health point and we change the length of the line, but also let's change the color. We should set color something to connect with the health points. First we need to set pen color, so it will be the green. So let's try to change a number here and see what's the color. For example, 10, it's orange. 1, it's red. Yes, for example, 20, something greener. 30, 40, 50, it's already more blue. 40, green. Okay, so we need to start with a 40 and then we will decrease health points and it will be more go to red. So how we can create this? Health points in 100. If we will divide by 100 and then multiply by 40, so now it's a 1 multiply 40, 40. Then we change color, for example 50, it will be 50 divide 100, it's 1.5, and half of the 40 it's 20, so it will be more. And when we have 1, it will be the red color. Here it is, and so we can control our cat and the health bar will follow us. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Please write in the comments if it was helpful for you and what tutorial I should do next. See you soon. Bye.